Hi, so I'm back with another discussion on this video. In this video, we'll be talking about, are we investing in the right kind of people? Are we investing in the right kind of life situations? Are we investing enough on ourselves? So आज के जो वीडियो का मुद्दा होगा वहाँ पे we'll try to understand that what is the kind of or what is the set of people that we should be investing our energy, time, patience into. What are the life situations जहाँ पे हमको अपनी investment करनी चाहिए. When I say investing in a life situation, when I say investing in sets of people, I'm talking about investing your time, energy, patience, awareness, and sometimes money as well. So all this time, there have been a lot of talk about investing, about financial investings, like in investments, like investing in SIP, investing in SWP, investing in FDs for better returns. But have you ever thought, क्या आपने कभी ऐसा सोचा है कि just the way you are trying to make right financial investments, it is also important that you invest in the right kind of people and right kind of life situations. If I can give you an example, when you write an exam which has which has a question that has answers in multiple choice format, so you have 4 choices and you're supposed to find out the right one. What do? We do process of elimination. We try to eliminate the wrong ones. We navigate through the choices. We try to eliminate the wrong ones. We narrow down to 2 highly competitive choices, and then we try to find out the subtle difference or the fine line of difference between these 2 potential choices and find out the right one. Correct? Similarly, when we talk about life situations also, we can be in multiple life situations. Like if I can give you an example, let's say there are 2 life situations. There is one life situation जहाँ पे you are comfortable, you have the so-called stability, but you're not at peace. You're not peaceful. You're not living your life in your own terms and on your own conditions. You're making constant adjustments. You're making constant compromises unwillingly. And at every point of time, you feel that you are stuck and you feel stifled up. आपको लगता है कि मेरा गला कोई घोट रहा है और मुझे अभी के अभी यहाँ से निकलना है. That is one life situation, right? And there could also be another life situation jahan pe you're exploring, you're kind of more secure, you're more peaceful, and you are living your life on your own conditions, and you're not having to make adjustments and compromises unwillingly, right? So unless you identify these 2 different life situations, and unless you identify or point out the subtle difference or the fine difference between these 2 life situations, how will you be able to choose the right one for yourself? And when I say subtle का मतलब होता है बहुत हल्का. Why do I say हल्का? Because these 2 life situations on the top might look very good. आपको लग सकता है कि अरे सब कुछ सही है, both the life situations are almost the same, but no, there is a fine difference. The difference is something which often goes unnoticed. हमें कभी कभी दिखता है, but we don't try to acknowledge that difference. कभी कभी the difference goes totally unnoticed, है ना? So when you are investing in a life situation, make sure that you are being able to identify that subtle difference, that difference which often goes unnoticed between 2 different life situations, and then choose the right one. This was one idea. Talking about the right kind of people or the right set of people. There could be one set of people who are like energy vampires, right? They would be the most skeptical ones, the most apprehensive ones, the ones who will kind of suck up all your energy, all your enthusiasm, all your passion and patience, और वो आपको ज़िंदगी का एक ऐसा पहलू दिखाएंगे कि आपको लगेगा कि यार ज़िंदगी में सब कुछ गलत है, right? Life is not going well, and life is all about downsides and shortcomings, and they will try to portray a picture in front of you जहाँ पे आपको लगेगा कि यार लाइफ में या किसी भी decision, whatever decision you're trying to make, that has more downsides, that is superseding or outnumbering the merits, right? Giving you that negative picture. Some कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं. And then you can also have some kind of people or a set of people who are happy go lucky, right? For them, moving on is important. They don't want to get stuck. They accept life situations, and then they, work through the problem, and they move on. They come up with solutions. They appreciate life. They are grateful for what they have. They would always appreciate you. They would always uplift you. They would always acknowledge you. They would always motivate you. So now you again have to find out that subtle difference between two different sets of people. ऊपर से आपको लग सकता है, सुपरफिशियली दोनों तरह के लोगों को आप देखोगे ना, आपको लगेगा कि यार सही है, दोनों सही है, राइट? कुछ ज़्यादा डिफरेंस तो है नहीं, कुछ ज़्यादा अंतर तो है नहीं, बट नहीं, इफ़ यू टेक अ क्लोजर लुक विथ योर क्लिनिकल आई ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन, आपको पता चलेगा कि नहीं भैया, कुछ तो डिफरेंस है. There is always a difference between someone who is extremely skeptical, extremely apprehensive, extremely negative, and somebody else, who is unapologetically happy, unapologetically charming, enthusiastic, energetic, and positive. So again, what do you have to do? You need to identify that difference. And the moment you identify the difference, you identify the right set of people, and then you start investing in them. I'll also come up with a video later wherein we'll talk about how to invest enough in yourself. Again, when I'm talking about investment, I'm not talking about financial investments. I'm not kind of giving you an advice or a piece of suggestion about, investing in SIP, SWP. I'm talking about investing your patience, your time, your energy, your awareness, and yes, sometimes your money as well, into the right kind of people, into the right kind of life situations. है ना? ढूंढिए. Whenever you get some time, try, sit, think. Give it 5 minutes, give it 7 minutes, right? I technically call this to be power thinking, right? जैसे power nap नहीं होता है, आप power nap लेते हो और आप दोबारा से re-energize और rejuvenate हो जाते हो. इसको हम बोलते हैं power thinking. What is power thinking? Power thinking is a technique for 5 to 7 minutes. उसमें हम क्या करते हैं? हम लाइफ सिचुएशंस के बारे में सोचते हैं, ये करते हैं, वी ट्राई टू थिंक अबाउट टू डिफरेंट लाइफ सिचुएशंस एंड वी ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू, एंड देन वी डिसाइड, वी मेक अ वेल इन्फॉर्म्ड डिसीजन कि हमें कौन से सिचुएशन में इन्वेस्ट करना है, हमें कौन से टाइप ऑफ इंसानों में इन्वेस्ट करना है. बिकॉज ट्रस्ट मी, आपकी फाइनेंशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट्स जितनी भी बढ़िया हो जाए, अगर आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑन योर सेल्फ, अगर आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑन द राइट सेट ऑफ पीपल, अगर आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑन लाइफ सिचुएशन सही नहीं है ना, then it's going to be a problem, right? Do let me know your comments. Of course, the comment box is open. Come up with comments, and I'm looking forward to a lot of community engagement, people who are aware about this, people who are enlightened, people who have a lot of knowledge, experiences to share. So whatever content you have to share from your personal knowledge, from your personal experience, or any pragmatic experience or anecdote, please share it on the comment box. You're most welcome. Thank you, and we'll come back with another video once I have some more time to do that. Thank you.